Hard cuts between two video clips can sometimes disrupt the flow of your video. But not to worry, many video editors now come with transition effects and have a video transition editor to help you add transitions to a video. Take a look at the following example. Here is a step-by-step tutorial to show how you can add video transitions. Step 1. Import the video you're going to edit and add it to the timeline. Step 2. Cut out the part in the raw footage that you don't want to include in the final version. The cuts between two video clips can sometimes be too rough or too sudden, which can affect how smoothly your video runs. Step 3. So now you can add the video transition effect to the video clip. There are tons of video transition effects built into Filmy, with 4 kinds including Basic, Slideshow, Speed Blur, and Warp. You can choose this video clip and then add the video transition. Step 4. After you've added the transition effects that you'd like to see on all the video clips, click the play icon to see the final editing result. Step 5. Finally, click Export to save all the editing effects in the video. If you're interested in Filmy, click on the link below to download it for free. It enables you to do all kinds of editing with an abundance of effects and resources, such as filters, titles, animations, music, and more. Tips for adding better video transitions in Filmy. 1. If you want to set the transition duration, it's better to enlarge the timeline view through the Zoom In tool or the slider above the timeline. Next, click the transition thumbnail and drag its sideline so as to set the transition duration. 2. To delete a transition, click it and click the delete button in the toolbar above timeline. 3. If you especially love a certain transition, you can add it to your favorites by right-clicking the transition in the list and selecting Add to Favorites from the menu, or just click the heart shape icon on the upper right corner. Alright, that's all for today's video. Feel free to leave a comment below if you want to know some more about video editing. Alright, I'll see you next time.